Welcome to Qbit Computers. Today I'd like to show you another one of our communication boxes. So this is destined to go out to the middle of nowhere, out past Leonora, to provide internet access to exploration site out there. So we're using a couple of different forms of internet. First of all, we're using two 4G modems down the bottom there. They will be connected to these big MIMO antennas sitting up on the outside of the donga, facing the nearest Telstra tower. They are also then backed up by this black cable here. That black cable is coming up to a Starlink dish, and that Starlink dish is out here. When you order a Starlink dish, if you're going to do anything like this, please do remember to order the LAN adapter because it doesn't come with it. So there is the LAN adapter that is providing internet into this as well. So this Fusion broadband box down here will bond those three connections together, and you'll be able to have a single IP address. Doesn't matter which connection you use, which means things like Teams calling, video conferencing and all that sort of thing will not drop out when Starlink drops out, or when the connections get bad on the 4G. It'll use the best connection possible and actually bond them together. So the blue cable then feeds up into the switch above. The switch above is a PoE switch, and it's providing two things. One, it's providing power to this access point that'll be mounted inside the donga. And the second one, it's providing power to a point-to-point wireless. So this here will be also mounted outside the donga up on the roof, pointing to a couple of kilometers away line of sight. This will pick up the signal and then rebroadcast it through an access point down there. So the other building, a couple of kilometers away from the main setup, will also have decent internet connection. All this is powered by a true online UPS. A true online UPS means that power fluctuations won't affect it. It produces 100% of the power, and the power from your generator is just charging it. So you can see if we were to lose power, we'd have communications for about 72 minutes at the moment. So that is Qbit's remote communications box, another setup of it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from it. If you need any advice on remote communications, then feel free to contact Qbit Computers.